If you're traveling to a colder climate, packing bulky boots and a coat can eat up a lot of space in your bag. This can make traveling in the colder months more difficult, but it doesn't have to be. So save space by wearing your bulkiest clothing on travel day. This is what my sister and her husband did on their honeymoon. They went from autumn days in Iowa to winter weather in Alaska. But instead of trying to pack all their winter gear, they wore a lot of it, including their boots and coats on the plane, allowing them to save space and not have to check any bags. So be like Ari and Travis. Wear your bulkiest items on travel day, and you'll be able to pack less and experience more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails. Also, I'd like to thank Amanda File from New Orleans for buying me this tea. I really appreciate the motivation boost. Cheers.